welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Riti Kumari and I am back with another video on lecture number 5 in constructor and destructor. So basically today we would be looking on parameterized constructor. So without any further delay, let's get started. So as you can see, a parameterized constructor is a constructor which is having some parameters. So we can pass arguments while the object creation. In the very last examples we saw an example of car class. So basically this is a constructor of this particular car class. So whenever we call the constructor, a object is created. So consider I am having a class as car, and in this particular class car I have int speed and int weight. So whenever the constructor of this particular class is called while the creation of object, it will have two blocks. This would be speed and this would be weight. So whenever at the time of object creation we want to assign some values to these particular fields like speed and weight, we can use this parameterized constructor. So as you can see in this particular example, there is a class car and here we have string brand, like the brand of the car, and here in this constructor we are giving a string x and here we are assigning that value to the brand. So like as there is speed and weight, we can also consider one more property as string brand. So basically what brand is of the car. So here also the brand would be having some space in the memory. So whenever this particular constructor is being called, in this particular method you can see we are giving variable x and that is being assigned to brand. So at the time of object creation, as you can see here, the flow starts int main and here we have created an object of this particular class car. So car object 1, and here we are giving the value. So basically whenever we would be printing that car with brand with car object 1 dot brand, we would be getting car with brand BMW. So what happens in the parameterized constructor is at the time of object creation, all the particular values we are giving is being assigned to the object. So that is very helpful to us, that whenever we are creating, if we know that car is a class and we are creating an object of the car class like Audi, and if we know the weight of the Audi, the brand name and etc. So at the time of object creation we can assign all those values. So basically what happens कि पैरामीटराइज कंस्ट्रक्टर में हम क्या करते हैं कि हमारे पास कुछ पैरामीटर्स होते हैं कंस्ट्रक्टर में. तो जब भी ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट होता है या ऑब्जेक्ट इन्वोक होता है तो एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम हम लोग वी गिव सम पैरामीटर्स टू द क्लास कार. तो क्लास कार का जब भी ऑब्जेक्ट बन रहा है लाइक ऑडी, तो ऑडी का जब भी ऑब्जेक्ट बन रहा है तो क्या होता है कि ऑब्जेक्ट में जो वैल्यूज़ इनिशियलाइज होती है वो ऐसे नल हो जाती है. तो जब नल वैल्यूज़ इनिशियलाइज हो जाती है लेकिन हमें कुछ वैल्यूज़ देनी है कि लाइक नहीं, अभी अगर कार क्लास का ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट हो रहा है ऑडी, तो हमें पता है कि ब्रांड नेम तो ऑडी है, तो हम एक काम करते हैं ब्रांड नेम को ऑडी कर देते हैं. हमें वेट पता है उसका इतना है तो हम वेट भी असाइन कर देते हैं. हमें स्पीड भी पता है उसकी कितनी है तो हम स्पीड भी असाइन कर देते हैं. तो बेसिकली जब भी हम लोग एट द टाइम ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट हर चीज इनिशियलाइज कर देते हैं, असाइन कर देते हैं थ्रू पैरामीटर्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पैरामीटराइज्ड कंस्ट्रक्टर. So this was all about parameterized constructor in this particular video. I am trying to make the video in English as well as Hindi so that everyone can understand. Even if after that if you have any feedback, do let me know in the comments. And if you're someone who has liked this video, please hit the like button. If you're someone who is liking this series, please share it among your friends and colleagues and everyone. And till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing. Bye all.